Hey y'all, so if you've been curious what I've got hiding over here in my house, and it's not the stuff behind me, it's because I've got a big old box of BookShark Science, and I think you're gonna like what you see. So first and foremost, in this big box, I've got never-ending piles of paper. I do a packing list, and guess what? I've got science kits. Now, there's a reason why I'm doing this. One is I haven't showed you BookShark in a while. Two is that BookShark is actually on a lot of the state ESAs, including the one in Alabama. I wanted to make sure you saw some options for science for that upper elementary, middle grade, and you can make some comparisons and decide what it is you want to do for your science curriculum next year. I'm still in the world of paper over here, but this is not a bad thing. Know that when you get something from BookShark, they're going to pack it well, and you're not going to get a box of beat up books. Now, what is it about BookShark that I like? What makes it what it is? It's right there in the name. I love BookShark because it is first and foremost literature based and about the books. So let me show you a little something. First and foremost, BookShark Level D. And just so you know, these are in order. Level D, we've got the instructor's guide. Everything you need in here is in here. That's scheduling, that's materials list, you name it, as well as answer keys, etc. This is open and go. Other than a little bit of prep when you're trying to put experiments together, this is not the curriculum that you've got to go dig through to figure out how to do today's lesson. Instructor's guide. Next, you've got an entire book, colorful book at that, of science experiments. And by the way, level D is for ages 8 to 11, but you use what you need to use for your kid. There's also the experiment paper pack, which of course are where they record their findings for their different experiments. It goes along with the science experiment level D book. This pile's getting tall. Best of all, we've got lots of books, and these are all by trusted brands like Usborne and DK and Magic School Bus, you name it. But there are books galore, which is kind of the point of BookShark. Mind you, I'm still pulling out books for level D. That's not all of them. And last but not least, we've got our science kit. And inside of here, in case you want to see it, of course you do. Of course you want to see it. We've got our supply list and a box full of everything that you need to do your science experiments. So I hope you're following me here. There's more to come because that was just level D. Next, I'm going to show you level E. So for science level E, we have more of the same. This is the good part about BookShark. There's consistency. You know what level D look like, and going into your very next semester, year, etc., E looks very similar, but of course it covers different concepts. So we've got our instructor's guide. We do have another experiments book. Just because you're older or a different level doesn't mean it's any less interesting and pretty. We've got our paper pack of science experiments. And best of all, we've got books. Books galore. Books. And more books. And more books. And more books. And these are all great quality books, by the way. Some are the perfect bound the way they come, but there's hardbacks as well. More books. More books. Even big encyclopedia style books. Again, books. Because when you've got a lit-based curriculum, if you don't have books, something's wrong. let's not forget our big box of supplies for science. Now, just so you know, this won't be everything. What's not in this box is normally household items, but trust me, you've got what you need to make the science work for you. This is a full year, 36 lessons in your course, open and go. I love it. It's not a whole lot more I can say about that. I guess I'm the lazy parent, and the lazy parent in me loves nice, rigorous curriculum that I don't have to learn and do all by myself. Now, that's just to get you started. I've got a few more reviews coming up. This was just an unboxing so you can see what's in that big box from BookShark, and also to get you a little bit excited about science as we go into summer. Those of you that have ESA funds, you're going to need to start thinking about next year. And for those of you just looking for science, the kids are out of the 3rd grade now. We're actually going to get into some stuff now. You need a real option, and I'm determined to show you what these options really look like.